Alright, this video is gonna be how to do how to replace windshield washer arm. So this is '05 Lincoln Aviator, so I'm gonna show you the process. So now this is the whole windshield washer arm. Now if you wanna replace the blade, that's basically another project, but what I'm gonna cover is just basically how to replace the whole arm. So first of all, what you're gonna do is make sure carefully pry this whole thing like this. Do not let it slam. Do not let it bounce back on the windshield because it might crack the windshield. So hold that and make sure you do it with both hands. Anyway, you're gonna see this little latch right here. So all you're gonna do, pry that open. See? So once you pry it open, you can actually wiggle that, and this whole thing should come out. I'm doing it with one hand, so see, here we go. So basically that's what it takes, and you can see the inside. Once you pry this is basically what holding that from the shaft. That's the shaft right here. So if you want to replace your windshield washer arm, and basically that's what you do. Now to change the blade, the connection is basically right here. That's basically right here. You just, let me show you exactly. Is bring, I'm gonna have this part against my body. Okay, so basically once you have it like that, all you have to do is just bring the top part down. See? So what it is basically is the hook. You see that right there in the center? That, let me see. So all it is that hook, this hook right here, that basically goes, let me take it all the way. So basically is this hook right here that goes right in here, right here. That's what it is. So I'm gonna put it back. Look at how I'm putting it back. From the back, don't do it from the front. It's gonna be wrong. But you do it from the back like this, just like so. See if you can get a better picture. Okay. So now once you get it up, and you can see how it's coming along. See that? That's it. And then this is basically your you just put your windshield washers together. That cover off, and I'm gonna show you how much dirt that's is gonna be inside that cover. So every now and then, that's something like I'm saying we should do, and just take the cover off. So we took both the wiper arms off. We're gonna clean back here as I mentioned earlier, so we're gonna take that off. Take that off, put it on the side. Look at this. Look how much dirt. And this vent right here, so we're gonna remove that. Can't remove it with one hand, so we're gonna have to move. We're gonna get a shaft back and clean that up. So we're gonna go on the other side, take the other one off. Yeah, it's basically the motor right there for the wiper arm. So yeah, it's pretty nasty. Looks like this thing never clean. Never, ever, ever, ever. So we're gonna clean this real good. So after I done clean it, take all the debris off. So I'm using this thing right here. Alright, so micro bin, so spraying on there. Whether or not they're supposed to do, I mean, it's supposed to clean it or not supposed to clean it. It's just cleaning supplies, so I'm just spraying it and I'm gonna let it sit for a minute and then probably run the water hose on it and probably scrub it a little bit. Maybe I could have used glass cleaner, but I think that should work. That should work. I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes and then get a scrubber, scrub it real good, and then get the water hose and clean it. So let's look before and after. It's a big difference. Very, very big difference. So one side clean, the other side you can see how dirty it is. So we're gonna go ahead and then finish that side. So after everything was clean, this is what it basically looks like. It's a very, very big difference. The vent cover is already back, been put back together. So, and with that seal right here, whatever. So we put that back, and we had to clean everything. Of course, you can see how the vent cover real clean. when you placing the washer arm back, make sure you see that little lip right there on the shaft. Make sure you mash this little lip right there side by just make sure you mash both little grooves. So it's like this one right here, so you know so if you want, you can even mark it so you can have a better way to tell. You can mark it right here. See it? That's the groove right here. You can mark it from outside right here. So when you're placing that like that, your groove supposed to be like this. It's supposed to be like this. So which means that the way you see this thing playing, it's supposed to match the groove just like so. Just like down over there. So basically this is what it's supposed to look like. And always make sure that that lock is basically locked, because if it's not, that won't be good. So always make sure that lock in. Once you place it, make sure you give it a little wriggle. All right, because it should not come out. So once you do that, and make sure that one is tight as far as the wiper. So here's our windshield wiper. And that is it for this video. Once again, if you're a fan, you like my video, you enjoy it, it helps out, please thumbs up. And don't forget to tell your friends, family members, people that you know are interesting or trying to fix things, call it do it yourself. Please encourage them to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Alright, y'all. Thanks.